In these uncertain times, it's extra important to always stay connected. Immediate access to information is vital. That's why we developed the ATL, a unique directional LTE solution for those who want to squeeze the most out of the base stations. Incredible speed. It features a phenomenal Category 18 LTE modem. That means stable mobile internet with speeds around 1 gigabit. And there's a matching Gigabit Ethernet port, no bottlenecks. Then there is a 4x4 MIMO support, meaning multiple input, multiple output. So you're going to have a fantastic performance in cities with modern base stations. However, did I mention something about remote areas, right? Well, here's the second major difference if we compare to the LHGG. ATL features a wider frequency band support for lower band antennas. There are 4 high-gain middle band antennas and 2 high-gain low band antennas, including LTE band 28 support. We're talking 700 MHz to 1 GHz. Why is that important? Well, first of all, the 700 and 800 MHz LTE band is one of the most popular bands used by mobile operators for LTE communication around the world. With ATL, you'll always be able to find some sort of signal, no matter where you go. And as we all know, lower frequency radio waves can travel very far. It all depends on many factors, including how flat the terrain is. Now, the device itself kinda looks like a spaceship, but there's a good reason for that. It prevents snow and water from collecting and freezing up. So not only is it compact and easy to ship, but it can also handle really rough weather. ATL is a great tool for fast and stable connections in the cold, snowy cities without having to clean the antenna all the time. The LTE Category 18 modem is pretty future-proof, so you won't have to worry about upgrades for quite some time. That's it for today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to contact your MikroTik distributor.